Well, good morning. I decided to do these quick 2-minute tutorials because I've done them in the past and they were really popular. Not only are you time poor and trying to get shit done in a very short amount of time, I get it because I'm kind of like you. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you, I'm excited to show you this one, how to organize your Facebook Messenger. Do you get inundated with messages and inquiries? And I'm actually embarrassed to tell you how much work I've missed because I haven't followed up on Facebook messages. It's easier to organize through your Facebook page, but I get a majority of my inquiries through my personal profile. So my personal messenger goes nuts. And yours might be the same. And if it is, you are going to absolutely love this video. If you use Facebook correctly, it should be one of your biggest lead machines. Now, this is a much easier thing to do in a business-to-business type niche. If you are, say, like a health coach or health person, sometimes it's a little bit harder, but when you know how to use Facebook properly, it is awesome, probably one of the best platforms for lead generation. How good, you might be wondering? Well, let me tell you, I've been I've actually ran Facebook workshops and taught Facebook ads and taught a heap of different Facebook stuff over the years. And I have been building websites and launching people online for over 10 years. And for a majority of that time, this is the most hilarious thing, I haven't even had my own website online for a majority of it. But my work comes through Facebook and personal referrals through Facebook. Isn't that ironic? Don't you think? It's like bizarre. So let's get started on the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to start to categorize your Facebook messages. Okay, so to start off with, come over here to MyMessengerPro.com, and this is where you will purchase the extension. So click on it, and then once you've purchased, it's going to bring you through here. Now, just letting you know, this at the moment, this link is broken. So to actually get the extension, what you want to do is come and put in My Messenger Pro extension, and it's going to open it up in the Google Chrome store. So just go there and then you'll do your installation. Now, obviously, because I've already installed it, it's like this, but when you go there, just install the extension. And if you can't see the extension, just click on this little jigsaw puzzle. So obviously you need to have Google Chrome installed first and then come over to do your extensions, and you pin it. You just put the pin and then you'll see it up here in your toolbar. Okay, so when you come over to Messenger, it will be, you click on that, it brings up your login, and then you log in, and on the first installation, you're going to change your password. Now, mine's already going, so I'm just going to show you. So here's some groups I've already created. To create a specific group, you just click on this plus and you can type in your group name. Now, to add people to groups, what you do is you click the plus button and then you select a group to add people to. So very, very simple. Now, if you want to have a look at everybody in those groups, just come back over to this little tab on the side. Whoop, and click on one of your groups. And it's going to bring them all up in a list. And then you can literally just click on your little messenger icon here, and it's going to open it up in a new window. So you can see how valuable that is. And if you keep people organized as you go, you're never going to miss another sale or another follow-up in our crazy Facebook Messenger box. This is just the first video in very many of these tutorials. So if you want to stay connected to see the other 2-minute tutorials, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when they're released. And let me know in a comment below, have you had drama trying to organize your Facebook messages? And do you think having this is going to absolutely change your life?